Are you looking to grow your YouTube channel with high quality facial automation videos? You've come to the right place. Whether you are just starting out or already have a channel, I can help you to create content that stands out. I already run a successful YouTube channel over 67,000 subscribers. So I know exactly what works to keep your engaged and make a channel go faster. I will use all the experience for your videos. I will create facial automation videos, professional and smooth editing, ready content so that you can easily upload to your channel and start getting views. As your optimized title, text, description, also thumbnail if you want. My goal is to save you time and give you videos that look professional so that you can focus on growing your channel and reaching more people. So if you want to stop struggling with editing and finally get videos that work, let me handle it for you. Order now and let's take your YouTube channel to the next level.